guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm making sprouted chaat, again especially with the black chana. This is sprouted very good, and also I'm using the mung beans. Even this is sprouted chana ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳಿಂದು ಮೊಳಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್. I'll be adding little bit of chana, little bit of beans, then cilantro. This is orange pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, then tomatoes, onion, little bit of peanuts, little bit of another beans, avrekal antalla adu. This is roasted and fried, and I'll be adding
the chunky chaat masala,
and black salt,
little bit of black salt. You can add the chutneys too if you want, but this is enough for us.
Yeah, chutneys also, and also you can add out the sweet chutney and brown chutney.
And then once we mix everything, we'll add the save.
Yeah, we'll be adding save in the end after mixing. Now I'll be mixing all this one together. Then we'll add the save on the top. So now I'll be adding save. You can add the save in the top. While mixing also, if you want more, you can add it. Otherwise, just add it in the top and eat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon. ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನಿ, ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್.